Hi friends, this is question number 10, exercise 5.3 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. This says, show that A1, A2, dash 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 AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. Two parts are given, where part 1, that is part 1 is equal to AN is equal to 3 plus 4n, and part 2 is AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So let us take the first case where AN is given as, so let us take first case where AN is given as 3 plus 4n. Now first we'll calculate the values of A1, A2, A3, etc. And we have to prove that these terms A1, A2, they are forming an AP. So for forming an AP, the difference between the successive terms should be same. We will have to check out whether the difference is same or not. If it is same, then this is a series in AP, otherwise it is not. So AN is defined as AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. It means when this is nth term, when term is 1, so n is 1. When n is 2, A2 will be the second term. When n is 3, so this is A3, that is third term, and so on. So we'll put the values of n as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll check up 3, 4 values. If it is common difference is D is equal in the successive terms, then it is a series in AP. So now we'll put A is equal to 1, so this becomes A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. So that is equivalent to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So A1 is 7. If we put n is equal to 2, this becomes A2, that is second term, which will be equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, that is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, 8, that is 11. So first term is 7, second term is A2, 11. Third term, let us see, A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, that is equal to 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So one more term we'll see. So A4 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4, which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4, 16, that is equal to 19. So now we got the terms, 4 terms. Let us check up whether it is forming an AP or not. So now the difference between the successive terms, that is A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, let us check out whether it is same or not. So that is common difference, we'll say call it. Let us check out the common difference between the successive terms. confirm whether it is an AP series or not. So let us say common difference between the second term and the first term is equal to, this is equal to, second term is 11, first term is 7, so this is 4, and common difference between the A3 minus A2, that is third term minus second term, which is equivalent to 15 minus 11, that is 4. Again it is 4, and we see, let us see the difference between the fourth term and the third term. So that is D is equal to A4 minus A3, that is 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. So we can say D is common, equal to 4 in all the terms. We have taken 3, 4, up to 4 terms we have taken. So we can say as the common difference D is same in the successive terms this is an AP series. Now if it is in AP series, we have to find the sum of the 15 terms, that is n is equal to 15, and the Sn is given as n by 2 is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So now we'll put the values of n as 15, and the first term already we have calculated, and the value of n. Value of D we can put as 4. So this becomes equal to n is 15 by 2, 2 into a, first term is 7, plus n is 15 minus 1 into D is 4, as we have calculated above. So this becomes equal to 15 by 2, so within the bracket 2 into 7, 14, plus 14 into 5, that is 56. So this is equivalent to 15 into 56 plus 14, that is 70, divided by 2. So this is 15 into 35, which is equal to 15 into 5, 75, 7, remainder 15 into 3, 45 plus 7, that is 525, 52, 525. Sn is equal to 525 in this case. That is part 1. Now the part 2 is An is given as, in the part 2, 9 minus 5n. So in the part 2, An is given as 9 minus 5n. Again we will repeat the same procedure. So A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. And A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10, that is minus 1. Similarly, A3 is equal to A minus, that is 9 minus, A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, that is 9 minus 15, that is minus 6. And A4 is equal to 9 minus 6 into 3, that is equal to 9 minus 18, that is equal to minus 9. So A4 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So this is 5 into 4, 20. So 9 minus 20, so A4 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 4 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 4, 20, that is equivalent to minus 11. Now we have got A1 equivalent to 4, A2 is equal to minus 1, A3 is equal to minus 6, A4 is equal to minus 11. So here we are finding the difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 1 in minus 4 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, we are getting D is equal to A3 minus A2, that is minus 6 minus minus 1, that becomes equal to minus 5. Similarly, D is A4 minus A3, that is A4 is minus 11 minus minus 6, so that becomes minus 11 plus 6, that is minus 5. So all the cases we are getting D is equal to minus 5. So hence, as D is minus 5 in all the successive terms, so it is an AP series. Now we know the value of D, we can find the sum of 15 terms, as formula is Sn is equal to n by 2. Within the bracket we are getting 2a plus n minus 1 bracket closes into d. N is 15 by 2, so 2 into a is 4 plus n is 15 minus 1 into d is minus 5 in this case. So this is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4, 8 plus 15 minus 1, 14, 14 into minus 5, that is minus 70, which is equal to 15 by 2 into minus 70 minus plus 8, that becomes equal to 62 minus 4, this is equal to 15 into minus 31 which is equal to 15 into 1, 15 into 3, 45, so 465 minus. So sum is in minus here as d is in minus. So total sum is also in minus because most of the terms they are negative here. So this we have to find out. This is over now.